Everyone says the same thing to you. Use AI, it's going to streamline everything. It will do that, but it will also cost you hundreds of hours messing around if you're not really sure what you're doing. I spent hundreds of hours building out my own system, only to come along and basically rip it all apart once I started to understand and learn more about it. So, what you need to do first is you need to come in here, join the community, because this straight away is going to set you on a path that's going to streamline everything. It's going to save you a massive amount of time. This 7 day challenge is pretty much allowing you to build your own AI employee. It's exactly what I've built, and it just now has started to streamline things for so much for me. Again, this was a big problem for me. I built things on what everyone else was saying, so I was pulling from video one, pulling apart into video two. I was pulling another idea in, and I was building AI, my own AI employee, on things that didn't really serve me a purpose. So that just caused me to waste so much goddamn time that I wish I had access to something like this now. So again, as I said, 7 day free trial. Come in, get your AI employee, build it yourself, and leave if you want to. But at least then I know that you're going to be walking away and you have something built that's going to just save you a massive amount of time. On top of that, as I said, once you have that built, you have your AI employee built, you then focus on what you need AI to do for you. Do not start focusing on building something fancy that you may or may never use. So for me, as an example I've always talked about is my overall departments and how I build each thing. One of the big things I've recently love using is actually my YouTube publishing agent. This allows me to pretty much output all my YouTube content in terms of guides, thumbnails, everything. So if you can see here on the left hand side of the screen, I get AI and it pretty much generates all my thumbnails for my videos. It generates everything for YouTube that I need. So this in itself saved me so much time. I was spending a stupid amount of time editing videos, stupid amount of time basically creating the transcripts, creating the descriptions, whatever else goes with YouTube. So this in itself, when I built it out, has saved me, I would say, about 40 minutes on every video, maybe an hour, because sometimes I would be spending so long on creating thumbnails. Now, as I said, I get AI generates the thumbnails for me based on everything I need, and for this, it just streamlines the entire process. You can see, hopefully, images, obviously, they're all AI generated. The likeness is there, and as I said, this in itself, as I said, saves so much time. It just opens the door. It allows you to do more and not have to waste all your time on the simple things I suppose you don't like doing. Also, what I found has been a massive help to me is, where is it gone? Is the SEO team. So I focus everything now. Every piece of content I create gets repurposed. I can't emphasize that. You need to be doing it simple and straightforward. If you're not doing it, again, this is where AI steps in. So I get my articles are created basically for my website. These are all created based on my YouTube videos. And again, all the videos then are embedded with that. So if we quickly jump over here, you can see over here on my website, I have how to repurpose content. All these articles are generated to 80% are AI create. And I'm not ashamed to admit it. I'd say it straight up. That's what it is. Key reason, I suppose, and the key difference here of what I try to feel, I suppose, is different than what most other people do is this is created on a video that I created. So I done the research for the video, I gathered the information, I put it all together, I made the video. AI came along and basically chopped up the best bits, pulled it all apart, and redone it into, obviously in this instance, which was an article for the website. Again, everything is here. And if I can find, I think this one might be a YouTube video. No, it's not. I know this one is a video. So again, this is an example here. This pulled my YouTube video that I've done a couple of a week ago on websites. Again, you can see here pulled in the video, which I think helps naturally with your overall digital footprint, definitely online. But as I said, this has been a massive time saver for me. I can't deny it. There's no more sitting there wasting content. As I said, it's gotten me, I want to say 20, 30,000 impressions in total. My blog has, I think on average, it's around 140, 150 clicks over the last 2 or 3 months. It's not extreme, it's not crazy numbers, but they're real numbers. And the thing about it is, those impressions I would have on views, I would have never have gotten if I didn't use it. It didn't cost me a whole lot of time. Set it up, pretty much tell it when to do it. And the next step in this process for me will be automating it. Again, if you're a small business owner, this should be really hitting home with you now. You should start to see how it can actually help, how it can get your message out across a load of different channels fairly easy. Obviously, yes, there is things that you can improve, things I can improve straight away on helping this entire system grow. But as I said, there is no need to be sitting there spending 10 hours creating one piece of content, publishing it, and then you go along and you have to do it all again tomorrow. No, that's not for me. It's simple and straightforward. No one should be doing it at this stage anymore. So you create your piece of content, which is yours. Again, this is key. Create your own unique piece of content, and from there, feed that into AI. Because what's going to happen is, regardless of how good or bad your whole system is set up with AI, it's still going to draw on your information, your topic, your discussion points. And I think from that point of view alone is where it's going to be 10 times better than most people. What they do, they open up ChatGPT. Hey, ChatGPT, give me an article today on a topic. It'll go off and create the article on the topic, but lo and behold, someone else is going to do something similar. It's going to create the same thing. Again, create your own piece of content. Also, what I found a massive help for me is when it comes again to YouTube, and if we quickly see, can I find it? Outputs, I get these fancy little designs made. So if we go over here, I get these made basically for my YouTube channel, and again, I just change these around a little bit. Actually, this is an older version of it, but the idea here is it allows me to kind of present a video, go through it, each thing I can explain pretty much what's happening in throughout the entire video, and it just keeps me on point. It keeps everything easier to structure, easier to control. The next step here is a bit more automation, so I can do research into topics that are trending in my space, get it to generate this. So when I load up the computer every day, I have a video idea ready for me to go. Have complete breakdown. Any assets that are needed for the video are ready. Again, saving a massive amount of time. And you can get the general gist, I suppose, of what I'm talking about here in terms of what it's actually doing for me. It's focusing heavily on saving time. So again, if I see, can I find a more recent one? And again, this is a more recent one that was done. You could use these for presentations if you're doing presentations in your job, or staff training, or anything like that. AI can help you cut a lot of this time out massively. And instead of, I was eager to make this video today because so many people talk about AI, but what they're doing is how AI can make X amount of money, or how this super AI tool is going to dramatically save everything you do. But the reality is, most small business owners, especially, are still only using very basic AI in terms of chat. They haven't even scratched the surface of having more, like with Claude, with systems built up, with automation built in, things like that. This is, as I said to you, has allowed me now to massively grow my overall channels. Every single channel has grown over the last 30 days. Has it grown enough? No, but that's refining. That's come. I don't mind that. It has allowed me to be on all the platforms and pretty much given me the opportunity now to actually grow out the thing I wanted to do. I don't want to spend my days creating content. It's simple and straightforward. I do know that that is the engine that drives everything, is content for a short period of time. But now, as I said, has allowed me to focus on this, and everything that I've done is I've added inside of this community now. So you have 100% access to it. You join on a 7-day free trial. You get access to all this. I would recommend build your own AI agent first, as I said, because it's just going to make things so much easier. So look, that is the video. They are the key things I wish someone taught me at the beginning. Build your own AI agent, build it from the ground up the right way, and from there, everything that you eventually want to bring into it can just be kind of attached onto it, and from there, it's going to streamline based on what you need for your business. So look, again, if you're interested in joining, link is below in the description. Definitely join. If you do join, let me know any questions. As I said, this is where I want to help and try and provide as much information as I can for people. So look, I'm going to leave it there. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope everyone has a great day.